Yo, here's why you shouldn't believe shit. Yo, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, there are so many different YouTube videos out there talking about how to make all of this money. There are millions of people every day searching on ways to make money online, how to make extra $1,000, how to make $10,000 a month, blah, 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 blah. And with that being said, there's a lot of skepticism in the make money online niche. I actually did a video talking about, why make money online is one of the most toughest niches to be in, because it's full of skeptics. It's full of all these people that got these big ass financial goals and dreams, but it's also full of a skepticism. People that's like, they don't believe shit, right? They see a course, they're like, that's too good to be true. Or they see a program over here and they're like, yo, that's impossible. That's not going to work. That's not realistic. But yet and still their goals is, I want to make $50,000 a month. And everything they see, they shit on it. Just like, that ain't gonna work. That's not real. That's fake. That's a scam. Blah, 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 right? And that shit's annoying, right? As somebody who is a part of a lot of legit opportunities, right? Now, I've seen some scams, right? I know some shit that's trash out there, right? But the majority of things out there, you really can make money with. You really can make money on YouTube. You really can make money with affiliate marketing. Hell, you can make money with drop shipping. A lot of this stuff, t-shirt business, Etsy, you can make money with it, right? But it does take effort. It does take trial and error. It does take time. It does, right? But a lot of people, they just don't believe, they don't believe they can make, $5,000, $10,000 from YouTube, or they see a course or something like that and they don't believe it'll work, right? They see a software, they don't believe it can work, blah, blah, blah. And I'm to the point where I'm like, you know what? Don't believe shit these YouTubers tell you, including myself. Don't believe it. What I want you to start doing is using your own common sense, right? Listen to a YouTuber, right? If you buy a course, go through the course, whatever. But then first of all, ask yourself, does this seem like it can work? That's the first question you need to ask yourself. Then second, are you willing to do the things that the YouTuber or the course said to do in the course or the video? Those are the questions you need to start asking yourself, right? Does this seem realistic on any level? Does it? All right. Then, are you willing to do what is said to be done, right? Don't take just somebody saying, yes, you will make $1 million doing this, right? If you sit in your chair and stare at the wall for 5 seconds, $1 million will appear in your PayPal, right? Now, if somebody put out a video like that, you're going to get all these comments, which is just sad. You will actually get comments from people like, this is a scammer. I looked at the wall for 10 seconds and didn't get any money. This is bullshit. This is a scammer. Blah, blah, blah. All right, first of all, okay, you shouldn't even got to the point where you're actually staring at the wall. You know damn well that don't make sense. So why are you even wasting your time commenting? It didn't make sense, so you shouldn't even think about it. So my point is, all of these things that are out there, right, to make money online. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming you're one of them people that you at least want to earn an extra $500 a month doing something, right? On a bigger scale, you probably want to make $5,000, $10,000 a month, most likely, right? So you need to really start, first of all, looking at the things that could potentially make you that kind of money. Yes, being on YouTube can make you that kind of money. Affiliate marketing, network marketing, drop shipping, t-shirt company, Etsy, whatever. A lot of things can make you that kind of money, right? So you need to find that thing. And then if you want to get a course or you want to watch a ton of YouTube videos and, take information from each, YouTuber to get your own, create your own course, right? Do it. You gotta do your own research for stuff. Quit giving these course creators and you know, the YouTubers so much credit, right? Like, you know what you're willing to do. You know what sounds good and what don't sound good, what sounds like bullshit and what sounds cool. We know it. We all do, right? The thing is, you have to, at the end of the day, do the research. You have to put that work in, and you have to find out whether or not that method or that strategy worked for you. Because like I said, I talked about in a previous video, when it comes to, like, you know, scams out there are way more legit opportunities than there are scams. You'll find 20 real opportunities before you find that one scam, to be honest with you, right? But the bottom line is, I see it so much, like, people will hear something or watch something and they're just like asking all these questions about it, blah blah, over and over again, and you're like, look, at some point you just got to check it out for yourself, whether it be being a YouTuber or being an affiliate marketer or whatever. At some point, gather all the information you can and then just start doing it. Just start doing it, and you will figure it out for yourself.